Now in this presentation, in this video we'll see OIR part 2 non-verbal intelligence test questions. In this test you get 40 questions during SSB interview screening test, and these questions are required to be answered in 17 minutes time. So in this series we'll see 23 solved questions. There are about 15-16 types of non-verbal type questions which are shown on the slide. These three I have already covered in my video, and today we'll cover these 5 types: figure matrix, similar figure, incomplete figure, figure series and figure analogy. Certain tips. The non-verbal portion is actually very difficult and it requires very sharp observation, and you get time less than 30 seconds for each question, and in all there are about 40 questions given. In verbal intelligence, 40 questions are to be answered in 22 minutes, and in non-verbal intelligence test there are 17 questions to be the 40 questions to be answered in 17 minutes. Here there is slight mistake, just correct it. It is non-verbal. So let's see the questions and the answers quickly. First is figure matrix. So in this matrix is given, and it is basically a box and figures are given, and they are either this way, related either this way, or they are related either this way. So we have to now find out the missing figure. Correct answer is B. Now let's see the reason. Here there is a square, then same square there is one line, and then the square is missing, only line is there. Same way in third one, so it is actually moving in this direction. Last one, if you see, there's a triangle, and then there's a pentagon in the triangle, and then when the triangle is removed, the figure is this. The same way here, it is moving like this. There's a circle, there's a diamond, and then there's a combination of diamond and circle. There's a circle of combination of diamond and circle, and when the diamond is removed, you see figure like this, and this is our answer. Now here there is actually group of 4 figures, one of them is missing. Answer is B. Now how? There are 2 figures, they are related here. There are 2 figures, they should be related here, but here the figure is missing. So closest is, these 2 are out. The closest are these and these figures, but this is not possible because here the line pattern has changed. Lines are like this, and here lines are like this. So if here lines are like this, obviously in answer you can't have lines like this. So this is the correct answer, these kind of lines. Now again a matrix is given and we have to find the answer. Now this question is slightly tricky because there is no correlation. If you see carefully, the roughly series are moving in this direction. So there is a circle, then circle is inside a square, and then there is a bigger picture. Now here there is a triangle and a square. A triangle and triangle has actually, then there is a diamond and a square, so there is no relation actually. But in last figure you see the same triangle is there, is repeating, and it is inside this diamond figure. So if you apply same analogy in your answer, you should be looking for an arrow. There should be an arrow, and this arrow has to be inside a figure. So this not possible, this one is not possible, this one is possible, triangle, but the most possible answer is this big arrow, because if you see the proportion of figures, this fits in well. And then if you see the analogy, that generally the second figure is actually enlarged, but here if you enlarge second figure you get a triangle, circle with a triangle. And what probable answer is that we need a arrow inside something, and most probable answer is this circle. So answer A is correct answer. And there are many ways of actually putting the logic and theories and also you can find out your own way of doing. Whatever I am saying is just for guidance, and you can have your own ways. So I'm just showing you the sample questions and with answers. So let's see the next question. Now this one, if you want to cut down time, so immediately you can see these patterns. Actually it is the series are going like this, in this direction. So if you note this pattern, there's a figure like this, then like this, then the next one also has to be like this, and here is the answer. But in detail if you see, so there's a triangle, there's a line like this, then there's a triangle, there's a line like this, one more line, and then this is gone and the triangle is also gone. You are left with this line. Same way there's a circle with a line inside, then there's one more line, two lines, then circle is gone and the upper line gone. So if you see the third figure, in the end you will have only this line. So we come to this answer. So wherever you are not clear, you can put in the comment box. This question, let's see the answer. It is B, and this question is slightly tricky. Let's see in detail. The series is actually in this way, manner. There is a rectangle, there's a triangle, and there's a triangle and a rectangle. There's a diamond here, there's a triangle here, and there are triangle here and here. So what is here is actually getting repeated here. So here you have generally a triangle and 4 dots. In answer, one of the probable answer is A also, because if you see like this fits in best. But out here if you see, the figures are always with one more figure. So the triangle is the base, so this becomes our base figure, and it has a dot also. So this actually fits in the best. These two actually they don't fit in, because the figures are inside each other. So this is how actually I analyze, and you can also analyze in similar ways, or you can find some better ways. Next question. Now if you see these figures, actually the series is going like this. So let's examine. There's a pentagon here upside down, and here it is reversed. There are triangles here, so they were reversed. And then third one is their own imagination. So let's establish pattern from here only. Then there's a circle and a diamond. So we basically need circle and diamond in some position. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. Here you have combination. But the point to note is that these two are similar. But this is the only choice which fits in. So our answer is A. Now this question, there are 4 figures given. You have to find out the next figure in this square. So here if you see carefully, there is a dot here which has got cut here, and then there are 2 dots here in the corner. So what we need is 1 dot here and these 2 dots here. So if we go by this analogy, C is the answer, because it has got a cut here and 2 dots here. Now next question. There's a T, and it has got a black dot, white dot and a square. So we have to find out the figure in vacant position, and answer is A. Now there are 2-3 ways of doing this. One is you mark the position of say this triangle. This triangle is here, it is here. Now from here it has gone here, and then again it has come here. So from here the triangle should logically go here. When triangle goes here, this is out, this is out, this is possible, this is also possible. Okay, but if you see the position of these dots, when triangle is here, is in this position, this reflects the best combination of rotation. So our answer is A. The next question, this is also very confusing actually. The set of these black and white dots are given, connected together, and you have to find out the dot position here. So what you can do is that you identify, say, one position, say this position. This position out here has become reverse, and then this position is repeated here, and here this position actually has come here. So from here it has gone here, then from here it has gone here. So from here, that means every alternate line it is jumping. So from here it has to go here. So in this manner, if you see, so B is the answer. You can also see the rotation of dots. You can like see the anti-clockwise direction, how they are rotating. Okay. So then you can work out your answer. So there are many ways possible, but what I am trying to tell you is that you don't have to look at each and every dot. Just establish a pattern and go ahead. Now completion of figures. So actually these questions are very simple and which we keep doing in kids corners, in newspaper and all. So let's see, there's a star given here, there's a star given here, there's a star given here. So what you need basically a star kind of thing here. And B is the best option here. You don't have to waste time on all these figures. Quickly compare and proceed. This one is also possible, but here there's a triangle given, and what we need is a line also. So that's why D is out. Now again there's a matrix given, and we have to find out the missing figure. C is the answer. So if you see carefully, you need a figure here, line like this, and that small circular line is actually existing here also and here also. And then what possibly you need is one more line. So this is also possible if you see this figure, and this is also possible. So how do you differentiate? If you see this line, it is making a pattern here, and this pattern is mirrored here. So if you see this line here, it should mirror here. So this becomes your answer. So these questions, actually what I am trying to emphasize is that though they look very simple, but at the same time they are slightly difficult. If you don't see them properly, you might go wrong. Now this figure. Now another thing is that you have to adopt shortcut methods. Answer is D, by looking at the figure, and you don't have to do entire examination. See, if you see this figure, there's a star actually going like this, going like this, going like this. So what you need here is a position like this, and it should be in same direction. So D is the answer, because D, if you see D, it has got a point like this. No other actually answer is giving this position. So you will straightway conclude this answer rather than going into all the details and wasting your time, because time will be very short. So you have to quickly identify a few things and then conclude your answer. And if you're not able to conclude the answer, then you have to go into one or two more details. Now figure series. The two figures given here, there are two here, then there are two here and two here, but one is missing. So answer is C. Now how we come to C? You see these two figures here. Here the square is out and triangle has gone on top. Then here again the square is out and circle is on the top. So now see here, triangle is out and square is on top. So see here, what you need is circle is out and square is on top. So best option is answer C. So these kind of questions, they require very careful observation, and you have to decipher the hidden differences very carefully. Otherwise you can complete all the questions, but then there is no point completing all the questions if most of them are wrong, although there is no negative marking. Now next one, the dots given actually. There is a box with a dot, and best way to doing this thing is you just see how dot is there. Like it is here, then it has come here, then it has come here, then it has come here. So from here it has rotated and gone other side, and here it is again rotated and gone this side. So what will be here? There's a pattern actually. So actually this should continue. This is what is going to give you answer. And if this continues, then B is the answer, because this dot is required to be here and it is here, and in all other questions it is in different position. Answers in all other options, it is in different position. again next figure in the series. So very difficult question. There's a triangle here and a sun sign here. Then the triangle moves here and sun moves from this position to this position. Okay. So now next position we see triangle has come from here to here and sun has moved from here to here. And in third one you see the triangle is going like this and like this, and sun has completed his circle in the bigger squares. So answer is B, because in next movement the sun will go back to this position and triangle which is coming like this will come here, this position and this position. This is what actually you find here. Now in this question again we have to find out a figure which is missing. So there's a triangle. I mean, you firstly see the major differences. There's a bar here, there's a bar here, then one more bar, there's a bar here, one more bar, but then some difference in the color of triangles. So triangle with black triangle and two bars. Here the same triangle with three bars, one, two and three, and here same figure, but now number of bars are increasing. Instead of one there are two bars, and all around it has got bars. So from here if you see, one bar has actually added here. So next answer will be, possible answer is D, that you have same triangle but it has got two arrows here, and then two bars here and two bars here. With one bar here, one more will get added here, and one is here. It's very actually simple question. If you just see the number of bars, you can be able to come to the answer. D is the answer. Now which figure will complete the series? So actually here it is no correlation. But only thing is that you see a series of circles here and then it stops. Blank circle, half black circle, full black circle, and it has stopped. So as per me this is going to be like this circle, and then there has to be a square, and possibly that square should repeat this pattern. So this becomes your answer. Now this is a very difficult question. Series completion. There is a figure given here. It is very difficult to see the differences, but there is a hook kind of thing which is reversed, and there is a semicircle. There is a small arc actually. This is also reversed. So in these two figures what you see is that whatever is there, it has actually reversed, and the figure has rotated also. Now next one you see, same thing, the triangle has come here reversed, and this is also reversed. So that means in this figure which is going to next, this should reverse and this should also reverse. So let's see in detail. Answer is C, because here you see this has reversed, this truncated cone, it has become like this, and this has also reversed. But you'll note that this is also very close, because it has also both these features reversed. But the point is, when this particular thing is reversing, then actually it is going more than 225 degrees or 180 degrees. So here it is only 90 degrees. Between here to here is only 45 degrees, less than 90 degrees. But from here to here it is more than, it is almost from here to here it is more than 90 degrees. And so from that analogy, this becomes our answer, C. So just see that how difficult they are. They look very simple but very difficult. Now this one, just see it carefully. There is a square and a triangle. The triangle is out and square is inside. There is a pentagon and a square. Out here, pentagon is out and square is probably inside, that we cannot see. So what is going to be next? The very simple answer. Here we start with a figure. It has got 4 sides, here it has 5 sides. So next figure has to be something which has got one more side, 6 sides. You don't get into other details that how this will appear or that will appear. This is the possible answer: 4, 5, 6. There may be other ways also, but this is how you can do it very quickly. Now here, missing figure. Answer is D. Again, if you see, lines are actually reducing. 3, 2, 1. So possibly next question should be, next figure should be 0 lines, and this is the straightaway answer. Next question. There's a figure here, there's a blank figure here. So don't go into more details that what is inside this and all. So there's a figure here, we need basically a blank figure, and there's an option with blank figure. So answer is A, straightway conclude. There are no lines, nothing. This is also possible, but it has got lines actually. So this is not possible. This is the correct answer. Now, most similar figure. Now this is also slightly tricky. So let's see how we come to answer D. D is the answer. So there's a figure here with a dot, and then there's a figure here. The dot has actually moved down. There's a figure here with a dot, So they are making a pattern like this here. What you need is a pattern like this. So dot should be somewhere here. And with that analogy, D fits in the best answer. This one not possible, it has got dots, 3-4 dots. This one again not possible because there's a dot, but with the dot there's a black square. In the question, if you see wherever there's a dot, there's a blank square. So here also with the dot there's a black square. But this is the only figure which has got dot and a blank square. And the pattern I told you, if this is like this, then it has to be like this. So likewise, these are two ways of doing it. So with this, I come to end and hope I am able to put across the points clearly to you all. So thanks for watching.